This video is how to restore a diesel truck. Specifically, this is a 1995 Ford F250 XLT Powerstroke diesel right there. As you see, I have some rust on the front driver's side fender and of course the rear bed. But however, I did go and purchase 2 new fenders with no rust and also a rear door because I'm having issues with my door sagging and stuff like that. Let me show you. Yeah, so it's kind of sagging until it'll stop and it won't line up. But so I'm in the process of getting this truck up and running. I was blessed. I purchased the truck for $1,700. Boom, came the photo. As you see, I used to have a big old truck utility camper shell on my truck, and so I got that off, and I luckily was able to sell that for $285. And as you see, I have some rear body issues, so I'm planning on finding another truck to potentially part out or just replace that altogether. The body's pretty aligned, it's a clean title. And this video is how to restore a diesel truck. Specifically, this is a 7.3 international engine, and it's a 4-wheel drive. Let's check on the inside. So before it was even dirtier. So I'm also going to be doing a video of how to repair old door panels, trying to figure out how to do all that. I've never worked on a diesel truck in my entire life, and so here's the inside. And so I've already taken off some parts. I actually previously have replaced the L pop. See, it's supposed to go around like this. Boom. Goes around the camshaft too. Goes into here. Whoop, bam. See that? And you put your fat pulley, which the pulley was really tough. I suggest you use the correct brand, which is actually interesting. It's actually a gear mechanism, and because I've been trying to troubleshoot it. Boom. What's up, guys? Woodman. I just been totally blessed with this truck, and it started. Glory to God. As you guys see, I was actually able to get the truck started for the very first time when I purchased the truck. It ran for about a minute or so. And then when I went in and pushed on the accelerator, it died. And that's what the previous owner had actually said. That was the issue of this truck. That he thinks that was a fuel pump or some other issues. And so I just kind of felt led to buy the truck. I've always wanted a big truck, diesel truck, so I can help others. So I'm really excited about getting this up and running and getting it reliable. Of course, I'm trying to make it look nice, and I'm gonna hopefully be able to do a whole bunch of how-to videos as a beginner, because I've never worked on a diesel truck, as I stated earlier. And so, yeah, this is how to restore a diesel truck, and I'm looking forward to doing more videos. Don't speak the geef. This is Woodman34X, and see you later.